Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to draw Santa Claus easily. So let's start the drawing. With the center of the page, we will draw a nose. For nose, we will draw a circle here like this. Now on the left side of circle, we will draw a curve, and also on the right side of circle, we will draw another curve. On this curve, we will draw a circle for the left eye. We will draw another circle here for the right side. Now inside this eye, I will draw a circle to highlight this eye, and I will also draw a circle here to highlight another eye. Pardon me for my English, because the area where I live, people don't speak too much English here. So let's continue with our drawing. We will fill this area to complete our eye. We will do same thing here like this. Now over the left eye, I will draw an eyebrow like this. Also on the right side here, we will draw another eyebrow like this. Now we will go to draw the mustache of this Santa. So to draw the mustache, on the left side, I will draw a curve here like this. Also on the right side, I will draw another curve like this. Now from the center of this nose, I will draw another curve in this manner, and also on the right side, I will draw a curve in this manner. Now the mustache of the Santa Claus is complete. We will draw another curve here for the mouth of Santa. Inside this mouth, we can draw a tongue and teeth of Santa. So the mouth of Santa Claus is complete. Now we will draw beard of our Santa Claus. So to make the beard, I will make a point here below the mouth in the center. So from left side, I will draw a curve, and I will stop this curve to the center point. Now also on the right side, I will draw another curve. I will stop this curve at this center point. So the beard of our Santa Claus is also complete here. Now on the left side, I will complete the face of Santa Claus. From left side, I will draw a curve here like this. From right side, I will draw another curve like this. Now I will join these two eyebrows with this curve. Now over this face, I will draw cap of Santa Claus. So to draw the cap, I will draw another curve like this from left to right side. Over this edge, I will draw this curve. Now to complete the cap of Santa Claus, I will draw another curve like this, and I will draw a circle here. So the face of our Santa Claus is complete now. Now we will draw the lower body of Santa Claus. To draw the lower part of Santa Claus, I will draw a rectangle here. Inside this rectangle, I will draw another rectangle. This will work as a belt for Santa Claus. Now I will draw hand of Santa Claus. To draw hands, first of all, from left side we will draw a curve here, and also on the right side I will draw a curve here. Now on left side I will draw another curve here. Also on right side I will draw another curve here. Again one curve like this, and on the right side also one curve like this. Now we will go for hands of Santa Claus. To draw hands, I will make thumb first in this manner. Also here, thumb in this manner. Another curve like this. Also here. Now we will make fingers like this. Also on this side fingers like this. I will complete the belt of Santa Claus. And one line from left side, one line from right side. We will join both these lines like this. Now above this also one line, and from center two parallel lines like this. Now I will draw one line here, and we will go with the legs of Santa Claus. We will make two lines like this. Make a line here and another line here. Make a curve like this. Make another curve like this. Join these two lines. Draw a line here. Draw another line here, and this. So our Santa Claus drawing is complete.
We can add on a splash of colors in this manner. I hope this video helped you to make Santa Claus easily. So I request you to like this video, share it to your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I will regularly upload videos like this to teach drawing. So your help can motivate me to draw more. Thank you.